Hi, it's Carly McAvoy. I wanted to talk about the traditional Chinese numeration system. And underneath we have the Hindu-Arabic equivalent, and above we have the traditional Chinese numerals. So 1 is a slash mark, 2 is a smaller over a larger hash mark, 3 has 2 large with 1 in the middle, and then we start to get into symbols that are a little harder to describe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they have a symbol for all the first 10. Then we have a symbol for 100 and a symbol for 1,000. And I'm sure it went further than that, but these are the ones that I'm talking about. So how would you use that? Well, I have here 3,264 using the Chinese system. So it was vertically written. So 3,000, well, they would say, okay, we have 3,000. So they would write the symbol for 3. And then they would write the symbol for 1,000. And then that would be 3,000. And then they would go on to the 200s. There's 2 hundreds. Then 60. There are 6 tens. And finally, there's just the symbol for 4, because there is a number. Anything that's below 10 or below 11, it has a symbol for it, right? Interesting too, we don't talk about the zeros in a lot of these systems, and I should say that 0 came along much later in the history of numbers. People didn't think about 0 for centuries after they started using numbers. So it's not always part of what we do. Write 935 using the Chinese system. So I have 9 hundreds. So 9 is this symbol. And then 100 is this symbol. So I have 9 hundreds, and then I have 3, there's my 3 symbol, tens. And then I have 5, and 5. I don't think there's supposed to be that much difference in size, but that's how they would write that. Now what about 6,172? So 6 thousands, and the thousand symbol, I'm not doing that very well. 6,100 seven tens, and then 2. So that would be how you would write in using Chinese numerals to write Hindu-Arabic numbers. All right, have a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you next time.